we got another cooking show. This one is for Emmeline because she doesn't know how to make this soup. And we all love this soup. I used to ask my mom to make it all the time, and now Julia asks me to make it. So I'm going to show you how. And if you do it another way, then leave a comment because I'm not the best cook. So please, advice. I enjoy it. So normally I make it with chicken broth, but because it's for Julia, it's going to be vegetable broth. And I cannot cue that word to save my life. Vegetable broth. Voy a usar este aceite de aguacate, aceite, pero no más un poco. Cebolla, un poco de aceite y ajo. Me olvidé. Sal y pimienta. Y si tú lo hagas diferente, por favor, déjame un comment. ¿Qué es eso? Like, mensaje, porque necesito ayuda. Vas a cocinar esto nomás por un rato. No más por un rato. Y como mi hija es vegetarian, vamos a usar esto. Los dos. Ahora las papas. Y pruébalo también. Cuando las papas todavía están crudas, nomás para ver si necesita más sal. Ya cuando eso ya está, eso es todo. Ya no hay nada más que hacer. Mija, it's done. I'm going to record you saying that you love the soup I make you, but it's not even on you, so. say this. It's not on you. But you have to say you love my soup.
I love your soup.
But do you really?
Yeah.
Okay, well that was it.
Oh, I was like, that was random.
No, I know. Oh, I was making a video for Emmeline because she doesn't know how to make it.
Oh.
So then I decided to cue it in Spanish and then make it.